Ugh, okay. So in this section, we're going to do an export of an animated GIF file. And for our examples purpose, like what we're going to do is we're going to set a requirement that this GIF file, this animated GIF file, cannot exceed 1.6 megs in file size. So I've created a little PSD file here with some movement in it, as you can see in the timeline here. We want to save this export this out as a GIF file. So I'm going to go to my Save for Web dialog box from File, Save for Web, and let this load up. I am so nervous right now. The last two screencasts have crashed, and hopefully third's the charm. Okay. All right, so if we look at this, let's just say, let's start, for our sake, with just a 10% web snap. Okay. So let's just say you hit Save for Web, and this is the window that you see. You've got your file. You can preview the animation here. This is just going really, really slow because my computer is not happy that I am doing a screen recording as I'm doing all this. But if we look at the file size, this exceeds the file size, our target file size of 1.6. So I'm going to use Web Snap, which basically reduces the total colors within the image. In order, well, less colors, less information, so you get a smaller file size. So I'm going to turn up the degree of Web Snap here. I've done this several times by now, so I kind of know if I turn it up to 90, I'm going to hit the file size that I like. You can see immediately the number of colors have been reduced. You can play with the numbers here to get the best, to find sort of like a balance between getting a look that you like and also getting the file size that you like. In this case, I'm fairly happy with how it looks, even with the reduced colors. So I am going to go, and we're now at a file size of 1.48 megs. So that's well below our 1.6, but I know that when files get exported, the file size can increase a little, and then plus, I'm pretty sure Apple's rounds up the file size a little. So I'm just going to hit save. Under exports, save this out as an animated GIF file. Hopefully this will work. There we go. So in our exports folder, we now see our beautiful animated GIF file. Looking pretty good, and file size is 1.6 megs. This is a combination of the file size increasing a little on export and also just the operating system rounding up the file size a little. So that's it for exporting animated GIFs.